Hello everybody! Okay, so today's tutorial is an Ultrafast Arduino tutorial that introduces the concept of what Arduino is and just put it to work easily. For more information about it, you can check on our social network garagelab.com and the products used in this tutorial on our virtual store. And for more videos, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's give a brief description of what Arduino is. Okay, so Arduino is a development board which uses an 80 mega microcontroller, and you can find different models of this board. For example, Leonard, Duemilanov, and others. But for this tutorial, we are using the third revision of the Arduino Uno. That's a very common model, which uses an ATmega 328P microcontroller. So, these are basically the pin connections that you can use it for your application, USB connection to the computer for uploading programs, your application, and perform other tasks. And you can see other peripherals, but we're not going to explore them since it is a basic tutorial. Okay, so let's move to the first steps. Okay, the first step is to download Arduino's IDE for you to develop your source code. So type here arduino.cc. Okay, so let's just wait. Here we are. This is the site we're going to download it from. So just click download here. And this is the page that is the same one which is written in our tutorial, in our social network, okay? So here we go to the page and download Arduino 1.0.5. Okay, so here we have different links for different operational systems. So, as my one is Windows, I'm going to choose Windows Installer. So I'm going to click here and it is downloading, right? Okay, that is finished. So now I'm going to just open it. Okay, just click here to open, run. What I'm going to do here is next, and here I choose just the directory where I want it to become, and just installing. Okay, let's wait a little. Okay, so I'm going to click here for the driver, USB driver, okay, and just close. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to just open IDE, Arduino's IDE, alright? So let's just open it. If you have any problem about these procedures that I've already done, you have this written, everything in your social network, okay? So you can take a look in here in the written tutorial too, okay? And now, let's just run Arduino's IDE. Let's open it. It is opened. Okay, so this is Arduino's IDE for you to develop your code and upload it to your board. So let's go through some examples. Right, now we're going to see some basic code examples and how to upload them to the board. But before, we have to configure some things. First, make sure your board is connected to your computer via the USB cable. And then we go to Tools, Board, and select our model. In this case, is Arduino Uno, which I said at the beginning of the tutorial. Then, Tools again, Serial Port, which selects which COM port your board is connected. So mine is COM16, okay? Now we can start the example codes. Well, the first example we have is a very basic one called blink, because the onboard LED really blinks. So you go to File, Examples, Basics, Blink, and you click on it. Okay, so this is the first code example we're going to upload. So, uploading this by clicking here, we can see the code working on the board. And now, we can move to the next example. Okay, so now in the second example, we are going to read a button which we have connected to digital pin 2, and we will turn the onboard LED on or off. So then you go to Examples, Digital, Button. Okay, so you can see, right, File, Examples, Digital, and Button, right? So you can see, just click on it, and this is the code. And then we just upload it. So you can see the board working with the uploaded code. Okay? So now let's move to the third and final example of this tutorial. Okay, so on the third example, we are going to read the analog values from a 10K ohm potentiometer, which is connected according to the written tutorial. You can see it on our social network. So this is the connection. You can take a look here. Right. So now you go to File, Examples, Basics, Analog Read Serial, and just click on it. And then you upload it. Now open Tools, Serial Monitor, and you can see that the red vials are displayed on the serial monitor, okay? Take a look. Alright, that's it. We hope you have enjoyed it. Now put yours to work. Good job. And we see you next time.